In this video, we focus on the process approach and risk-based thinking competency in the IATF Auditor Guide, and in particular, how auditors should follow audit trails. Watch this video to see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit. So, one of the things I want to follow up on, I saw in the review of data earlier that you've had a customer complaint against part number 13249.
Yes.
I'd like to understand a little bit about what you've done to put in the systemic corrective action to prevent that problem happening again.
Okay.
So could you give me a little bit of an explanation about the part, and then maybe we can follow that to the shop floor to have a look at the manufacturing, to have a look at the FMEA, have a look at the control plan.
Sure. Actually, the part is running right now.
Right.
This is the sample of the part. This one part is okay, but the problem was that on this part we had some moisture traps. And, moisture traps.
Traps. Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
We believe this happened because we didn't had drying in the hopper. So whenever the part stopped for a longer time and the moisture from the air got into the material and resulted in the pore surface of the part.
Right. Okay.
So what we have done, we installed the drying hopper. So now every time the machine stops, the material in the hopper is still dried, and that's how we eliminate any chance that the material will get moisturized while being in the hopper.
Right, okay. So what I want to do, is let's follow that through to the machine. You say this is running today?
Yes, it's running.
Okay, let's go and have a look at that now then.
Okay.
So can you show me the hopper then, the relevant hopper?
Yes. Before we had only the upper part.
Yeah.
And right now we installed the drying bunker, you can say.
Okay, okay.
So material now is dried additionally. So what has been done in the drying station, now we additionally dry it in the bunker.
And can I see the control plan?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay. So the temperature, what's the nominal temperature for this?
The nominal temperature is 90 degrees.
And what's the tolerance on that?
It's plus minus 10 degrees.
Right, okay, so 90.1. Great. And the FMEA, can you show me the FMEA about the drying? Here.
Yep.
So not dried, implement the dryer. Good, okay. So can we see the product monitoring now? Can we see the inspections that you undertake?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So can you take me through the inspections you do on this product?
Yes, of course. So I take the part from the conveyor, I take a look from all of the sides, and I'm searching for, is there a white mark on this part?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
If it is there, it is not acceptable.
Okay. And can you show me the packaging of the parts?
Yes, of course. Here it is. Yeah. I put those parts here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could you show us your work instruction?
Here it is.
Right, okay. Oh, okay, and this is the mark.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and here.
More specialized, yeah.
Do you have any samples of
Yes.
good and bad?
It is there. These are the bad ones.
Okay, I can
compare.
see the
Yeah.
watermark. Okay. And good ones? Do you have a master
Of course,
sample?
of course. This is the master one. Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
And if you have a reject part,
Yeah.
what do you do with it? Where do you put that?
I put it to the side and I inform the quality inspectors, engineers.
Right. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So let's summarize. One of the competencies of a good auditor is they should be able to collect information and then use that information to follow audit trails. And in the extract of this video, we see the auditor following audit trails as a result of customer complaint. The important thing is in following the audit trails, we need to go into the work area where the changes have been made, in this case, again, as a result of a customer complaint. And as part of the audit trail, it is important that we review the key process documents. In particular, IATF 16949 places particular emphasis on the PFMEA and the control plan. And also, following the trails to the inspection checks that are being performed by an operator, by the packaging and the work instructions. And also in this case, the auditor asked the operator about what were the acceptance standards. So was there a master sample for what was acceptable and what was not acceptable? And also, as a result of the inspection, if they have rejects, how are those rejects controlled? So let's summarize with the key learning points. IATF auditors should have the competency to gather and synthesize information and then use that information to follow audit trails. In this video, we saw the auditor following audit trails as a result of a customer concern down to the shop floor, verifying the corrective action that has been taken, and then verifying the implementation of that corrective action in observing the process and talking to the operator.